Hi guys, today we are going to talk about what is imperative programming versus what is declarative programming. So let's start with it. Let's have an overview. Imperative programming. In imperative world, the focus is on what steps the computer should take rather than what the computer will do to evaluate what we want from it. Let's try and break this down. We want something from the computer program, and we are going to tell the steps to the computer that it should take to achieve the result. So in short, the computer is not going to do anything on its own. We are going to tell the computer the steps that it should take to find out the result. It's all imperative. We will tell the computer what it should do and how it should do to evaluate what we want from it, basically. Now, on the declarative side of it, we again want something from the computer, but now the focus is on what the computer should do rather than how it should do it. We want the same thing from the computer, but our focus is on what should be the result, and we should not care about that how the computer is going to find it or what steps the computer is going to take to evaluate the result. We just want it from it. So let's have a short hands-on imperative programming. um, the the code snippet is in JavaScript, and the upper block is a function var find factorial of. So find factorial of is a function in which we have described the steps that the function will execute in order to find the factorial of a number that is being supplied as an argument. And in the code block below, we are executing that function find factorial of bracket open 5 bracket close. So in short, it's very imperative because we are telling the computer the meaning of find factorial of. We have given it the steps that it should take to find out the factorial of number 5, and in the end the computer will execute all these steps, the for loop, and it will return the factorial. I think it's quite simple. So on the other hand, here comes the funny part. Now a SQL statement is completely non-imperative, or it's being very declarative. How? We are saying select star from table student, and we say that we don't really care how you're going to find the result sets, how you're going to find all the records from the table student. So now the SQL server says, okay, now I'm going to start with the first row, which would be a collection of columns, and I am slowly trying to evaluate the result set. And we say, hang on, we really don't care how you're going to find the result set. We just want all the records of table student. So you can think of this programming paradigm as like we are declaring that okay, we want something and we just want it. We don't know how you're going to achieve this. So that's imperative versus a declarative programming. Thank you.